Hi, today I'm running Xiaomi 12S Ultra and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So open first Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap to voice section and click to voice match. To activate Hey Google, click once on the switcher. Now tap to next, I agree, next, not no. And now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. To just change voice model, click voice model and tap to retain voice model assistant to recognize your voice. After that, just tap to just repeat after the assistant, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.